welcome to another travel edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. We're here in, hi, we're here in Pennsylvania.
This is, you know, you might wonder why we're stumbling a little bit on our words. So let me tell you where we are and then we'll get right to it and you'll be able to figure out why we're a little bit cafundled. So we are in Pennsylvania. We are at State College, Pennsylvania. That's the name of the area, State College. Great location. We stayed in State College before. It's a college town. They have some really fun and amazing bars, great breakfast places, lots of vegan options. There's an amazing pizza place, I can't think of the name of it, that does vegan pizza as well. So if you're coming through and State College is on the way and you want to have a fun night, definitely stop here. But I'm just going to say, maybe not stay at the Hyatt Place in State College. That's where we are. Nothing wrong with it, but we've stayed at the other places and this is such a noisy location. It's right in the heart of everything, so I have to give it 5 pearls for location for walking.
I think so.
But right on top of that, for quietude, as we rate it, I have to give it 1 pearl, and that is being generous. We could hear everybody talking outside. We could hear everyone talking inside. We could hear people talking all around us all night long because it is a college town, and it happened to have been Friday night.
Yeah, it was Friday night, so I guess, you gotta expect some of that, right?
Some of that, but all night long until I think I finally fell asleep at 4 or 4:30.
Well,
It's not a great spot if you're coming here and you're driving through like we are and you just really need to get a good night's sleep. So,
yeah, it's a lot of these hotels now, the windows, I don't know if they're double insulated, whatever it is, but we stay in a lot of hotels that are on highways, you can't hear the cars, so yeah.
Right, we've been right on the highway and you'd never know it. You can hear everything. And then moving right along to the bed and the pillows, I'm giving them generously a 2. They weren't that comfortable. The pillows were really uncomfortable. Jeffrey and I are both pillow people. We both like different kinds of pillows. So usually one of us is happy. I don't think either of us were happy with the pillows. And the, I don't care what time of year it is, although it does happen to be cold and we're in December, but this is so light.
Yeah.
You need some weight on you when you're asleep. We took out the blanket, the extra blanket, which felt like cheesecloth. It also was so light. So, I'm getting the bed at 2 and that's really
we like to keep it cold. I don't like to crank up the heat. Obviously I did a little bit because it was cold. Exactly. But so the bed, okay, you got that. Then the staff, when we came in, I know I just checked in and the kid was super nice.
I had no interaction with the staff, so I'll let you go ahead on the...
Yeah, super nice. And then down this morning, they were great. Their breakfast was out there. It was a beautiful breakfast that they have set. They have an incredible bar here that we didn't get to last night because we came in late. Yeah. But this is not your normal Hyatt Place bar. I mean, it's a college town bar. It's really beautiful.
Right. So if you're coming through and you want to be in the heart of everything and you're not looking for a good night's sleep, yes, stay here. It's equally as nice as the Marriott properties, etc. But with that said, let's get to housekeeping because I think everyone knows I'm a stickler. Jeffrey, just zone in on, there is food from the previous guest underneath there. And there are a lot of stains on this carpet.
Yeah.
And actually both Jeffrey and I noticed in walking on them, they felt kind of fresh food-ish. So, ew, that's kind of gross. This is very standard Hyatt Place decoration, but the room didn't feel all that clean. So on a 1 to 5 pearls, I'm really strict. When there's fresh stains of things that haven't been vacuumed in food, I can't give it much more than a 2. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to this housekeeper. He or she must have had a bad day when they did this room. And I think that's everything but the coffee, Jeffrey.
That was pretty much it. Well, the coffee was out there. They did a nice job with the whole setup, as I said. So I went down there. The coffee was hot and ready to go. So I'm going to give them a 4 pearls. So overall, what do you give this place? It sounds like I'm just going to average it in my head. It's probably like 3.5 pearls or somewhere thereabouts.
You're being super generous.
No, I'm trying to add up your numbers. Maybe it is 3 or 2.
So on quietude, I gave it a 1. The bed, I gave it a 2. Housekeeping, I gave it a 2. I mean, It wasn't vacuumed, it wasn't.
So I think we'll say it's 2 pearls, 2 to 2.5
2
pearls. Okay.
That would not stop me from coming back and trying it again if I wanted to be right here in this location. But all the hotels are in a great location here. Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from State College, Pennsylvania.
We're gonna get out there. It's beautiful. This church over here is just gorgeous. The sun's coming up and it looks like it's a nice day for a walk. Gonna go get a bagel. Thanks for watching.